Shwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, baphen yo ki kubor na ke Jylla.
The parade commander. Ladies and gentlemen, BSF Secondary School boys and girls is approaching the salute dais. Level Commander Sunil Verma.
This is John!
Commander Esther Hafile Command Bingro. Following behind Auxilium Girls High and Secondary School is Brookside Adventist High Secondary School, being led by its commander Azriel C.H. Mumin.
Following closely behind Little Flower Secondary School, we have 7
The NCC boys marching contingent being led by Iborlang Karjana.
Following closely, round of applause. Following closely behind is the CRPF, led by Commander SIGT Anand Mehta.
Following closely is the 1st Meghalaya Battalion, being led by Commander Sri Jimbar Sangma. The parade commander, Sri Devansh Pandey, is approaching the dais along with the second in command, SI Sri Samborlam Nampur of the Meghalaya Police. Is the Tripura State Rifles, being led by Subedar Pranjit Devarma.
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the saluting base is Unitarian High Secondary School, led by Commander Honshi Shah Arsunai. Following closely behind is Holy Cross Secondary School, led by Commander P. Banker Maukhev.
And following behind Holy Cross Secondary School is Nongra Presbyterian Secondary School, being led by Commander Santa Kerman Pingro.
Joan Langdon Fleury.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the flypast courtesy the Indian Air Force.
Ladies and gentlemen, the chief guest will now inspect the contingents. Escorting the chief guest is Sri Devansh Pandey, IPS.
Today's chief guest, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sri Conrad Sangma, was born on the 27th of January 1978. He is the 12th Chief Minister of Meghalaya, whose vision for the state was shaped extensively by the ideals of his late father in national and state politics. A leader with vision and far-sightedness.
adolescents and women. The women members of self-help groups are finding employment as bank sakhis and business correspondents. They are providing financial services in remote areas. One such inspiring story